Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to redeem a gift card safely online, step by step. Step 1. Locate your gift card code. For physical cards, scratch off the protective layer on the back to reveal the code. For digital cards, check your email or message for the redemption code. Step 2. Go to the official website or app of the gift card issuer. Always make sure you are on the legitimate site to avoid phishing scams or fraudulent websites. Step 3. Sign in to your account if required. Many online platforms require an account to redeem a gift card. If you don't have an account, create one using a secure password and verified email. Step 4. Navigate to the Redeem or Add Gift Card section. This is usually found in the Account Settings, Wallet, or Store menu. Step 5. Enter the gift card code carefully. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces, as even small mistakes can prevent redemption. Step 6. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the process. Some platforms may ask for billing information or verification for security purposes. Step 7. Confirm your balance. Once redeemed, check your account to ensure the funds are available and ready to use for purchases. Step 8. Keep your card and confirmation details safe. Avoid sharing the code publicly and always redeem it on secure networks. That's it. Following these steps helps you redeem a gift card online safely and efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy and helpful step-by-step guides.